Hello and welcome to CTM. My name is Solomon and today I will be your product expert. Today we're going to take a look at the Constantia white toilet. Let's take a look. Now this is the perfect toilet to finish off your classical bathroom. So when you actually have a look at the stunning designs, it gives you that nice classic feel and the attention to detail right through from the top to the seat and the pan and right to the bottom as well. Now this particular toilet is made of ceramic, so if you listen to this, you can hear the strength and durability in the toilet, coupled with a nice wooden seat, just to ensure that strength and durability, and it's got a nice round base, of course. And the nice thing about this particular toilet, of course, if we have a look at it, it's pretty conveniently comes with the mechanism. Now this toilet is a front flush, making it nice and easy to use, of course, for your kids as well, and comes with a 10-year warranty. So if you feel like this is the perfect toilet for your home, click that add to cart button and get this classical design delivered straight to your doorstep.